Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial part 12. Here we'll learn the layers menu. In layers we have several options, like we have here in this how to define a layer or how to create a new layer, then turn the layers on, thaw the layers, lock the layers and unlock the layer, and some are related to other layer properties, like we can change to current layer and copy objects to new layer. We'll see it practically by creating a new layer here. In this layers window, when we will click on this option, it will create a new layer. The shortcut key for it is Alt N. As I have clicked on new layer, it will ask for its new name, the layer's name. The layer's name would be line. I will set the color for this layer, that would be I will set the colors for this layer by clicking on the color icon, and let's take it to yellow and then click on OK. Then we can set the line type . We'll keep it continuous, but we can have several options of line type here. By clicking on this load option, we can select some more line types. Here it is. Then we can set the line weight. We'll keep it 0.05 mm. If we want to set it off for the printer so that it will not get printed when the other parts of the drawing are getting printed, then we'll keep it off. Otherwise we'll keep it on. Once we are done with the layers, we'll close the window and the layer has been created. This is how we create layer. We'll see some more layer properties in our next video. Thank you.